Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. ISP modem is online, and you have admin access to its web or app settings. Power the primary mesh node and connect it to the modem via Ethernet. Enable DHCP on the modem if required. Once done, open the mesh app or web setup and create an admin account. Make sure firmware prompts are deferred until initial setup completes so you finish network creation without interruptions. This gets your backbone live and ready for node joins. You will now add secondary nodes following the app's guided join sequence. Tap Add Node and wait for LED confirmation. Place each node where signal strength between it and the previous node shows good RSSI, roughly one wall or one room away, so the mesh backhaul remains robust. Once a node joins, run the app's signal test and adjust position until throughput improves. Make sure to let the system optimize channels automatically, and do not mix extenders that compete with the mesh network. You finish by naming the SSID, choosing a strong WPA3 or WPA2/WPA3 mixed password, and changing default admin credentials. This secures the network. Once done, perform speed tests in multiple rooms and enable co-S or device grouping for priority traffic when necessary. Make sure automatic firmware updates are scheduled during off hours. Troubleshooting tip: if a node won't join, reboot modem and node. Move the node closer to the primary or factory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.